Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country-inspired cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Country-inspired cottage decoration is a warm, cozy, nature-friendly decorating style that mixes simple country charm with the relaxed, homey feel of a cottage. It creates a comfortable, peaceful, and vintage atmosphere, like living in a small countryside home. Here are easy and helpful tips for creating country-inspired cottage decoration in your home. Choose light and soft colors. Use calm, cozy colors like white, cream, shell green, pastel blue, light pink. These colors make the home feel peaceful and airy. Use natural materials. Add items made of wood, wicker, bamboo, cotton or linen. Natural textures creates a warm, country look. Add vintage or rustic furniture. You don't need expensive antiques. Just distressed wooden tables, old style chairs, old looking cabinets. Use floral and checkered fabrics, perfect for cushion covers, curtains, tablecloths, bed sheets. These prints bring cottage charm instantly. Warm lighting is important. Use soft yellow bulbs, table lamps, lantern-style lights. Warm lighting makes the home feel cozy and welcoming. Decorate with nature. Add indoor plants, fresh or dried flowers, branches in a vase, open baskets. This keep the decor natural and calming. Mix old and new items. Combine vintage accessories, modern essentials. This balance keeps the home stylish and comfortable. Add handmade touches. Country cottage style feels personal. Try crochet blankets, handmade pillow covers, embroidered table mats, DIY wall art. Create cozy corners. Make small relaxing spaces. A reading chair, a window seat, a simple tea corner. Use simple wall decorations. Hang wooden frames, nature prints, vintage plates. Keep it simple and not too crowded. Add open shelving. Use open shelves to display plates, cups, books, plants, vintage jars. It gives a cozy farmhouse cottage feel. Use decorative mirrors. Choose vintage wooden frames, white painted frames, Mirrors make small cottage rooms feel bigger and brighter. Plastic table settings for dining tables. Use wooden trays, messenger flower vases, simple cotton table runners. This brings a cheerful country touch. Mix painted and natural wood. Combine natural wooden furniture, painted white or pastel peaches. The mix creates a charming, cottage-like balance. Bring fresh scents. Use lavender, lemongrass, vanilla. These scents match the cozy cottage atmosphere. Use simple handmade storage. Try knit baskets, crochet organizers, wicker storage boxes. These keep things neat and stylish. Keep the windows light. Use sheer curtains, light cotton curtains. Avoid heavy drapes. This allows natural light to flow. Keep clutter minimal. Country cottage is cozy but not messy. Use baskets and hidden storage to keep things steady. Use soft patterns. Besides florals and checks, you can add polka dots, small stripes, nature-inspired prints. Add seasonal cottage touches. Change small decor items by seasons. Spring, fresh flowers and pastels. Summer, light linens and greenery. Autumn, warm tones and plastic baskets. Winter, knitted drawers and soft lights. Create a cottage entryway. Make the entrance warm and welcoming with a small wooden bench, a open basket for shoes, hooks for hats or bags, a vase with fresh flowers. Add soft natural wall colors. Besides white, try soft shades green, dusty rose, pale sky blue, warm beige. Use wicker and rattan often. Great for chairs, storage baskets, pendant lights. Keep decor slightly imperfect. Cottage style is not about perfection. A little wear, chipped paint, or old-fashioned details give personality and charm. Create a cottage reading nook. Set up a comfortable chair, a soft draw, a small lamp, a side table with books. Display simple kitchen items. In the kitchen, show ceramic bowls, glass jars, handmade mugs, wooden spoons. Add herbs indoors. Grow small plants like mint, basil, rosemary. Choose rugs with light colors, floral patterns, open or braided designs. Add lace details. Small lace touches look very cottage-like. Lace curtains, lace table runners, lace adds pillow covers. Make windows a feature. Use wooden window frames, small indoor plants on the sill, light curtains that move with the breeze. Hang soft artwork. Choose wall art such as watercolor countryside landscapes, floral paintings, simple black and white sketches. Create a cozy tea corner. Use a simple, small table, two chairs, a tray with teacups, a small flower vase. Use layered bedding for cottage bedrooms, layer with quilts, crochet blankets, light floral duvet covers. Add old-style accessories, try vintage clocks, ceramic vases, patterned plates on the wall. Choose soft, natural scents. Use scents like lavender, vanilla, fresh linen, lemongrass. Use candles for warmth. Place candles on wooden trays, dining tables, shelves. Add cottage-style wallpaper. Use wallpapers with small floral patterns, soft stripes, natural motifs. Use soft curtains with tie backs. Choose long, light curtains. Fabric tie backs with bows. Add a blanket ladder. A wooden ladder leaning on the wall can hold blankets, quilts, crochet drawers. Thanks for watching the video.